Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this comes from a question today, and I've had that question from time to time, and I believe I talked about this, but it's been a few years, so sometimes revisiting a subject is not a bad idea. So the question came from a user, I believe yesterday, that asked if the cheap-priced Windows product keys are legit, are okay to purchase. And well, here's the thing. The biggest problem with product keys that are cheap is that often they come from OEMs or from different companies that purchased keys in bulk, and somehow those keys got out. Could be an employee at a place that has access to those and decided to steal a certain number of them and sell them for a cheap price to make some money. This is a very common way of doing this. Is it legit or not? It's a very gray area. It's kind of difficult to process depending on where it comes from and so on. But for the most part, it's kind of not legal in the terms of services of Microsoft. So if you buy one of those, what can happen? Well, because they are possibly stolen keys, because they are possibly coming from a manufacturer and are not meant for resale as a standalone key for Windows. For the most part, if I look at everybody that does that, buys one of those keys and so on, I have had a lot over the years. Most of the time, it activates, it works fine. Your Windows product will continue working, having updates, and it passes all the checks at Microsoft. So your PC just works and Windows is activated. Doesn't mean that it's legal, but it will, work. But what are the risks? The risks are indeed possible, and I've seen a lot of people that it happened to, is that at some point, if they notice, for example, that a set of keys has been stolen, Microsoft can block those keys. And what happens is that one day you turn on your PC and it tells you that your PC is not activated anymore. And that has happened a lot. So, in fact, if you're buying one of those keys, you're taking a chance, you're taking a risk. It might work fine forever. It might stop working in 3 months, and there's no way to know about that. Technically, the word is to stay away from those keys and not to purchase them. But I know that there's this market of cheap keys out there that people can purchase. And it's tempting because they're often at a very low price compared to, I've seen some at $7.99, for example, instead of, $100 and something for the Pro version. And of course, there's also the possibility that you can get keys that are or were meant for specific people, like students, for example, often have specific rebates on Microsoft product keys. And the same, by the way, happens with Microsoft Office. You'll see Microsoft Office keys for a very cheap price. And once again, technically, it breaks the Microsoft user agreement. And so technically, it's not legal, but there's a lot out there that are going through. My recommendation, like I said, is not to buy them, but world being the way it is, it happens that people buy them and still buy them today. So that's pretty much where they come from. It's usually, OEMs or some big business that bought very high volumes of licenses, and somebody got hold of them and is selling them on the side. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.